Hi guys, it's Simon. Quite a nice day today, so let's enjoy a flight of this flybarless helicopter. That's quite a nice big loop, wasn't it? And again. Was that a dog walker I spied over there? Just have a look. Yes. One of the regulars, she tends to stay out of the way. My eyes temporarily latched onto that Seagull then. It's amazing how often I do that. Right, well it's sad. I'm sad to report that 2 out of 4 of my nanosec batteries are failing. I've had them a couple of years, they've done brilliant service, but yeah, I've just had a couple of flights and quite disappointed with them. That was a rather clumsy flip, wasn't it? That one seems to be okay though. Maybe a little down on the my best. As far as the batteries are concerned, that is. A bit of breeze picking up suddenly. Yeah, just a fraction off with my timing today, with my collective management. I've actually got a bit of a headache. I took a couple of paracetamols before I came out here, so that's something to do with it. Yeah, I'm liking this helicopter a lot. That came out of the loop fast, didn't it? Hi guys, I should be probably visible from a great height then. Whoa! That was a near miss. I hope the onboard camera's working. We nearly got a seagull then. Thanks for watching.